So, good morning. I've been cycling a bit. This is basically my road to my work. And this is the biggest lake of Holland. I usually pick up some trash along the way, which happens not to be so much here, as a lot of Dutch people like me are picking it up on a grand scale. And here we go. I hope it fits in. So, it's all about appreciating life and just do a little bit of good work every day. And I think all small deeds help. So here we go. This is the lake. It's so beautiful, isn't it? So, just show you around here. Well, imagine that your day starts like this. I'm really grateful. It's not often so tranquil like this. It's more like a lot of winds. But, well, we have these like couple of days of the year, and then I really enjoy it. So this used to be a salt lake, and the Dutch made a dike because of big storms and floods going on in the Middle Ages. And now it's like this. I often find pottery from like a few hundred years ago. So, well, I hope to see you again, as a matter of speak, and that you enjoyed this. There goes a birdie. Whoa, she's fast. Couldn't turn so fast. I hope you see it. Well, I leave you to it. Bye bye.